Today we're going to do a 10-minute yoga routine that's going to help with your flexibility, get warmed up in the morning. It's also a good routine you could do at the end of the day to wind down. So go ahead. Your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Raise up. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. I'm going to sit here for a minute as we're waking up. You can actually feel your feet grounded to the ground. And now we're going to swing our arms side to side. So make sure the back of your hand hits your shoulder, the other on the back of your back right here. Breathe in. Out with the mouth. Breathe in. Out with the mouth. Now we're going to reach back. It's almost like you're swimming backwards a little bit. Right. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. So right now we're going to do like a shaking body. So you start with your hands, and then you're going to start getting your feet incorporated. Really snap those hands. It's going to help you release tension. Get your muscles moving, blood flow. You're going to feel it on the bottom of your feet getting warmed up. This is going to get rid of that stagnant Qi or whatever else is ailing you in the moment. All right. Go ahead and raise your arms up. Breathe in. Out with the mouth. So now we're going to do a stand with your 2 legs. Put your hands together. And you're going to squat down. Have your back straight, just like this. Only go down as far as you can. If you can only go here, that's fine. If you can go down further, you can squat down. Make sure you're nice and level right here. If it starts to hurt, please stop, raise back up a little bit. Otherwise, you're going to stay down here. All right, raise back up. Breathe in. Out. Now you're going to turn. I'm going to keep that back leg straight right here. Breathe in. Out with the mouth. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Okay, we're going to raise back up. And stand here quietly. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Now we're going to twist, go to the other side. Go ahead and get down. Back leg will be straight. Breathe in. Out with the mouth. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. All right, stand back up. I'm going to go ahead and shake your hands. Make sure your feet are kind of coming off the ground a little bit. Really shake those hands. So now we're going to do what they call the open chest. So you're going to step forward. All right. And go to the other side. Just going to stretch your chest out. Step forward again. All right. Step forward to the other side. Definitely going to feel this in your back. Forward. All right, going to raise it back up. Breathe in. Out through the mouth, slow. You'll sit here. Okay. So next is going to be the crane. Do only what you can. You're going to raise up. If you can't raise your leg up, just leave your toe down. Otherwise, go ahead and get it out there. And down. Let's pick up the other side. Bring it up. Out. Remember, each day you'll get a little bit more balance. You're always going to have one side that's going to be a bit more balanced than the other. Doing great. Bring it up. Out. Good. All right, breathing up. Out. So now we're going to do a massage movement for your stomach. So men, right, left for women. You're going to push down just a little bit. And you're going to circulate, get that blood flowing in your stomach. It'll help relax your stomach. So if you have issues with digestive, you're just stressed out, this is going to help with that. Good. Now we're going to do a massage. All the way down to your legs, to your feet, inside of your legs. All right. Now we're going to do the cleansing breath, so raise up on your toes. When you come down, forceful down just like that. Raise up on your toes. When you do that, breathe out. Try to raise your toes up if you can. One more. Okay, raise up. It's good. You can hear your heartbeat. You can put your two hands together over your abdomen. You can feel your breathing. Breathe in. Out real slow. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. This time is yours. You got to give back to yourself. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. You can hear your heartbeat. You can feel the ground with your feet. This exercise can also be done barefoot and really help with your mobility and flexibility if you do that too. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully this gets you ready. So next up, you're going to get ready and do your workout and start your day. Thank you. Love you. See you next time.